pour it in really fast. Whoa.
Ooh, bubbles. So fizzy.
And the other one.
What other one?
The other volcano, it will explode this other one.
All right, you want to do the exploding one now?
Yeah.
All right, let's quickly wash this out. All right, you remember the steps? All right, you're gonna watch till, remember the line? 50 for this one. You remember what 50 is? All right.
Good.
Okay. And here's your spoon, and we're gonna be measuring big lumpy spoonful of baking soda.
Lumpy?
Lumpy.
Oh, lumpy.
Oh, in here, in the water. And mix it all together. I'll take the spoon.
Look at you, junior scientist. Nope. Oh my goodness.
What color do you want this one to be?
Red and blue.
Red and blue, purple? Oh, in here.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
I think that's good.
So try to get the same number of drops. Oh,
There we go.
Ooh, dark.
Okay. Now pour that in.
So bubbly.
Yep. And now this next one is, yep, and it's 30. Can you watch?
Good.
And your spoon. And a lumpy spoonful.
What's that?
Citric acid.
Oh.
Pour it in there. And, yep, you can stir it up there. You can stir it up. All right, now remember, we gotta be really fast. Pour it all in.
Whoa!
Whoa. Your blue-purple volcano.
It was
It went everywhere.
like a real volcano.
Yeah. That was fantastic.
You got fun?
Yeah. Let's make more.
You wanna make more?
Does the book tell you why that happens?
Yeah.
Did you read about that?
The reaction resulting from baking soda and citric acid produces a large amount of carbon dioxide gas, which blows out a large amount of foam from the detergent solution in the bottle, making a colorful, fizzy reaction like fountain.